guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rituja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So, as you have read by the title, in today's video I am going to review the Nature Essence facial kits. So, I have received 5 facial kits from Nature Essence and I'll quickly run you through them. So, the first kit that I have received is the Gentle Fruit facial kit. The second kit that I have received is the Brightening Diamond facial kit. The third kit that I have received is the Whitening Pearl facial kit. The fourth kit that I have received is the Flawless Papaya facial kit, and the fifth kit that I have received is the Glowing Gold facial kit. So basically in today's video I'm going to review one of the facial kits and I have decided to review the Flawless Papaya facial kit. So as you all know, I love using papaya on my skin, so I just thought this would be the best first choice for me. And also guys, this is going to be the first impression kind of video because I have never used this facial kit on my face, so I just thought that I would give you guys an in detail review step by step with the application and everything. Make sure you're staying tuned till the end of the video to see the overall effect this kit has left on my skin. I think that pretty much sums up our intro. Without any further ado, let's just jump into today's video. So let's quickly start by talking about the Flawless Papaya facial kit from Nature Essence. So this is how the kit looks like. इधर अच्छे से सारे स्टेप्स दिए हुए हैं जो आपको फॉलो करने हैं, एंड पीछे भी अच्छे से आपको एक टाइम मैनुअल दिया हुआ है जो आपको बताएगा कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आपको कितने टाइम तक रखना चाहिए स्किन पे. सो फॉर एग्जांपल उनका जो फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है वो आपको 15 मिनट्स तक रखना चाहिए. सो इन टोटल ये किट आपको 45 मिनट्स का प्रॉपर फेशियल देगा जो एक पार्लर में मिलता है आपको. सो हेंस दिस किट वाज बेसिकली क्यूरेटेड for people who would love to get the parlor like finish glow by sitting at home, I would say. So let's quickly open this kit. This kit comes with 5 products, but if you're wondering कि ये step 1 क्यों है और ये step 1 क्यों नहीं है, so basically they have given this pre-facial prep detan therapy wipe off mask which you have to use to prep your skin before starting with the facial. So this kit retails for 260 rupees, and for 260 rupees, if they're thinking so much about giving you a product to prepare your skin before starting the facial, I feel a big thumbs up to Nature Essence. So let's start by using the Detan Therapy Wipe Off Mask Pre-Facial Prep, and let's start by prepping our skin. So let's just quickly open this. Okay, so इसका पैकेजिंग ऐसा है, ये पूरा अच्छे से लॉक्ड है. So before I start applying all the products, I need to tie my hair. So yeah, I'll be right back. So just a heads up, I have just normally washed my face, like not with a cleanser, just with some lukewarm water, and now I'm just going to start applying this. So make sure your hand and make sure your brush is all clean. Okay, I'm just going to apply thoda. I think I'm going to use my hand only because brush बहुत ज़्यादा product खा रहा है मेरा. Okay, so the first thing I can literally tell you guys that this is very soothing, this is very calming. मेरा skin अंदर से बहुत cool feel कर रहा है, so that's a good thing. Like ठंडक दे रहा है ये मास्क, I would say, मेरे स्किन को. So guys, I don't know if you can see on camera, but I have applied the product all over my face and it has already started absorbing in my skin. Like जैसे मैं इधर अप्लाई करती थी, इधर का पूरा absorb हो जाता था. So इसलिए आपको ये on camera थोड़ा सा uneven लग रहा होगा या दिख भी नहीं रहा होगा थोड़े थोड़े parts में. That's because ये बहुत instantly मेरे skin में absorb हो रहा है and I feel I am literally liking it. So इसके बॉक्स के ऊपर लिखा है कि 15 मिनट्स तक इसको रखना है. So once I am done with 15 minutes, I'll just check in again. So I'm back after 15 minutes and as you can see the product has completely absorbed in my skin. So I'm just going to wipe it off जो excess है with a wet tissue. So the first step definitely gets a big thumbs up from my side. It was really very calming and I feel मैंने खुद के skin को बहुत अच्छे से prepare कर दिया है आगे वाले steps के लिए. So perfectly जो name suggest किया था wipe off, मेरा पूरा wipe off ही कर दिया उसने इतने अच्छे से absorb होके. And yeah, I feel बहुत अच्छे से मेरा skin भी prepare हो चुका है. So now we will just move on to the second step. Basically the first step, that is to cleanse our face. So for the cleanser I'm using the Flawless Papaya cleanser. ये इतने मिनीज जो आते हैं ना, टाइनी टाइनी, मुझे इतने मस्त लगते हैं ना, बिकॉज दे आर सो ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली, यू नो, किधर भी लेके जा सकते हैं इसको. दिस स्मेल्स सो गुड यू गाइज. लाइक अगर आपको स्मेल का प्रॉब्लम है ना तो ये बिल्कुल आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं देगा, बिकॉज इसका स्मेल बहुत ज़्यादा माइल्ड है एंड इट्स नाइस. लाइक इट्स देयर बट इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू अ हेडेक. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ प्लस पॉइंट फ्रॉम माई साइड, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद है जो स्मेल करता है. So yeah, I'm just going to pat some water on my face and then start using the cleanser. So this is how the consistency of the product of the cleanser looks like. I'm just going to start by gently massaging it. So as you saw, मैंने इतना सा ही लिया था, so it's definitely going a long way. So आपको ज़्यादा लेने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. So just keep on gently massaging it, जैसा पार्लर में आप मसाज करते हैं. अभी तक ये भी जो क्लेंजर है, it is also very refreshing because this product I feel it has a cool effect that is going on. So I can literally feel वो effect मेरे skin पे. And I feel just because it has papaya, जो क्रीमी टेक्सचर है उसका, वो मेरे स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज कर रहा है क्लेंजिंग के साथ. आई फील ये परफेक्ट क्लेंजर होगा विंटर फंक्शंस के लिए बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. सो स्टार्टिंग में आपका बेस जो होगा वो मॉइस्चराइज करके छोड़ेगा ये क्लेंजर. सो या, now that I have massaged my skin and my skin feels so refreshed. I hope you can see on camera, like I feel I'm glowing from within. So yeah, I hope you can see the glow. So I'm just going to go and wash my face and be right back. Now I have washed my face and I feel so fresh, I would say. But now I'm not going to pat my face dry because now we are going to go in with a scrub. So to exfoliate our skin, we are going to use the Flawless Papaya Scrub. So again, this is how it looks like. So let's quickly start. I am a fan of the smell. I know I keep on saying this, but yeah. Okay, इसका consistency is so freaking good. Can you see this? So if you are a sensitive skin type, it is not going to break you out. So let's just, oh my god. Now just because this scrub has a gel like consistency, मैंने जैसे इसको लगाया ना मेरे को इतना ठंडा ठंडा फील हुआ. So I am really loving their products by far. Like by far so good. I don't have any complaints. इसका जो consistency है, इसका जो formulation है, जिसने भी इसको curate किया है, I am in love. To again keep on massaging this, exfoliate my skin अच्छे से एकदम for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, so now I'm done with exfoliating my skin. Now I'm just going to go and wash my face, pat it dry and be right back. I kid you not, my skin feels so freaking good. Like it feels very soothing, you guys. Like I can literally see that instant glow. Like अभी तक 2 steps और बाकी है, which is the cream and the 4th one is the pack. But if I had to sum up अभी तक का मेरा experience, I feel it is too good and a big fat thumbs up because you can clearly see yourself how amazing and how supple, how fresh, how soothing my skin looks. And this is how I feel also. Like मेरा skin इतना soft feel कर रहा है और इतना smooth feel कर रहा है ना, that I think I'm just going to keep on using this product. Okay, so now the third step, ideally the 4th step, is using a cream. So this is the Flawless Papaya Massage Cream. I hope this is hydrating because अभी exfoliate किया है skin को. So this is how the texture looks like. I think my smile says it all. Again, it's very very calming. Like लगाते ही instantly ऐसा ठंडा feel हुआ skin पे. कितना ज़्यादा moisturizing है ये. Like if you are a dry skin type, you're going to like this because winters में मेरा skin इतना ज़्यादा dry हो जाता है ना. And as I said, I love using papaya on my skin because papaya में ना moisturizing और hydrating qualities बहुत होता है. So if you are a dry skin type, make sure you're incorporating papaya in your winter skincare routine and you're just going to love it. So I'm just going to massage this cream in my skin. Just going to let it absorb in my skin and I'll catch you guys after 15 minutes and then we'll get done with the last step. Okay guys, now I'm back after 15 minutes and this is how my skin looks like after using the Nourish Papaya Flawless Massage Cream. I feel I'm super duper happy. So let's move on to the fourth step and the last step for the facial. The last step is the Polish Flawless Papaya Face Pack. Okay, I cannot wait to use this now. इसका कलर भी मस्त लग रहा है मेरे को, एकदम रेड के सारे टोन्स हो गए अभी तक. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज अ ब्रश फॉर दिस, लाइक टू अप्लाई दिस. जस्ट शोइंग यू द कंसिस्टेंसी. So this is how the consistency of the pack looks like. Oh my god, अभी तक का सबसे ज़्यादा कूलिंग इफेक्ट देने वाला प्रोडक्ट है ये. I feel it makes sense because this is just going to fix everything in, because this is the last step for the day. And now I'm just going to stop talking and apply this all over my face. मैंने वापस ब्रश से यूज़ किया, I don't know why, but अभी जो हाथ से यूज़ किया, so I feel one stroke is literally going a long way. So I'll just show it over here. See, like it is literally going a long way. So इससे प्रोडक्ट भी सेव होता है और फेस पे भी अच्छे से सब जगह लगता है. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat the waiting procedure for the last time and I'll see you once the face pack is dry, that is like after 5-10 minutes. So be right back. Okay guys, so finally we are done with all the 5 steps and this is how my skin looks like after completing all the 5 steps. So finally that brings us to the end of the video and it's time to give you my final verdict. So talking about this facial kit, oh my god, this facial kit is love at first sight. So my first impression is tick 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 tick. So it has ticked all the boxes. This kit is definitely going to be my favorite for a long period of time because it is so moisturizing, hydrating, it smells good, it does not irritate your skin, and it is super duper affordable. So as I mentioned earlier also, you're getting 5 products for 260 rupees and this is a 3-use pack. So basically you can use all these 5 products 3 times and get a complete facial done. So if you're dividing 260 by 3, so your one facial is going to cost you for rupees 80. Can you believe this? Plus this is value for money, even if it is super duper affordable. I feel the quality is just top notch, I would say. Like they have literally not even compromised 1% in the quality just because of the quantity, I would say. So yeah, this is a perfect easy to use facial kit under 45 minutes. I'll be linking everything that you need to know about this facial kit and about Nature Essence in the description box below. So you know what to do. If you want to buy this product, you need to hit the link in the description box below. And yeah, overall I would rate this product 10 out of 10 because that's the first impression this facial kit has left on me. That pretty much sums up my entire review for the Nature Essence Flawless Papaya Facial Kit. It is a must have for you guys, like during wedding season, winter season, जो अभी upcoming आ रहे हैं, जितने भी seasons आ रहे हैं, I feel if you just throw this kit in your bag, you're just going to be good to go for your skincare. So I think that's that, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I personally feel Nature Essence is such an underrated brand and I'm so thankful that I got to review their products, and I'm really looking forward to review more products from them. So let me know in the comment box below what do you think about this kit and which is the kit that attracted you. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. And thank you so much for 17,000 subscribers, you guys. I love you so much and we are so close to 20k. So make sure you are definitely hitting the subscribe button because 20k के time पे I'll definitely host a giveaway and maybe I might just include one of these kids in the giveaway. So yeah, make sure you're fatafat going and subscribing to my channel, and also make sure you're following me on my Instagram. Now I'm just going to zip it. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Until then, live and let live. Take care, bye.